I've turned the longest part of my editing process into one click, and it saves me about 3 hours every time I edit. You know, once you hit that record button, you have all these little awkward silent gaps as you try to remember what to say and when to say it, and then you have to go through and manually edit all of them out, and it just takes forever. And so my program does it all automatically for you. Just input the video file, hit remove gaps, and it outputs a new file with all the awkward silent gaps removed. It's designed for Windows machines, and I've tested it on MP4, MOV, and AVI files. So you can get this program by clicking on the link down below on my website where you can download the program. Once you have the program on your computer, the first time you run it, it's going to check for a couple of tools it needs. If it doesn't have them, it's going to want to download them for you. Once you have the program opened up, you go ahead and select a video file you want to remove audio from, and then you'll hit remove silence. Now, depending on how quick your computer is and how long the file is, this might take a while. And once it's finished, it'll tell you, hey, I've made a new file for you, and give you some information about how much time it's cut out. And you can go ahead and use it and edit it and do whatever else you need to next. So at the time of recording this video, the version I have available right now for download works on video lengths of 5 minutes or less. I intend to put up a version that works on lengths of 5 minutes or greater for purchase off of my Patreon page, and that'll help support the channel and me developing more tools like this. But I wanted to make sure you guys had something out there for free that you could use right away. If this helps you at all, go ahead and like and subscribe, please. Feel free to ask questions in the comments down below. If you have any trouble, go ahead and ask. I'll try to address them. And thanks for watching. I know you're cute. Stay.